What is going on, everybody? So yesterday, me and my dad took out my headlight to get to the bulb to see what kind of headlight I need. And this weekend we have some Wheeler Fest event, and I'm gonna be bringing my 4-wheeler there and making a video. So I kind of need my bulb back in because we ordered it and it doesn't come till after the event. So I'm gonna be trying to put this back in, and yeah. Alright, so first things first, I got to get the headlight. Alright, so first things first, I gotta get the light bulb back in the headlight, and then we're gonna start reassembling it. So I gotta figure out how to get into the. That goes right into the influence. Yeah, that just goes right in there. Well, that didn't work. Alright. Spring up, push down. Oh, did I get it? Yeah, I got it. And then I just gotta put this right back on. How does it just keep coming up? Alright, well, there we go. So, so next thing I gotta do is get this plugged in and put it back into the thing, and then it should just go right back in, and we'll put all the screws back in. So this just plugs right into it. So this is going just like that. Let's make sure it turns on. Alrighty. Got that part down. So we gotta take the slack back a bit here. So now I'm just not sure it's supposed to go. Alright, yeah. Yeah, it goes just like that. Screws gotta be aligned. Alrighty. So first, this one has a bush on, so this other side, yes, this side fell out, so I'll put that back in. Perfect. Pretty sure it's these. Yes. No, this one had this one I had to put the ratchet thing in. So this takes. There it is. Alright. Screw that in real quick. We got it. Now, this goes right in on the back. What does that even take? What? Oh, flat. Okay. Dude, it does not take a spring. This is so annoying. I don't even know where I got this. It was just on the ground, so I'm pretty sure it went something else. This looks so good. Oh, my dog wants to come out. Alright. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Just lay down somewhere. Don't you have a bed in here? No, you won't feel so lonely. No, you're supposed to stay up there. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Okay. Alright. So this skinny screw, I'm pretty sure is supposed to go in here, but it doesn't have really no nuts under there. I don't really think there are missing anything unless it's under this hardwood. Alright. So we'll do that. Okay. But it's pretty, maybe it didn't, maybe nothing even went in there. So that's for the mount. Wait. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 mounts, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. So either this was completely irrelevant and didn't go anywhere, and it does go with the spring, but it was just off a different thing, or I'm missing something. Because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 places to mount it. It makes a lot more sense because this just goes. Let me show you. So what I'm doing is there's no threading right there, and then there's the hole right there. So something obviously goes there. Oh my god. Okay, so something obviously goes there. So what I found is it's so difficult to do it with one hand. So I found this little threading piece. It's like plastic, and apparently it should just go right in there. Perfect. So that is definitely where that goes. That could have been bad. Imagine I just like lost it. Anyway. Oh, that's so much easier. Just pull. Ow! Kind of like. We got it. Now wait a minute. That goes right there. Alright, yeah, we got it. So now, perfect. Alright guys, what I did is, so right there is that screw, there's a hole and stuff. So that white part is what I was missing. That has the thread on it, and it goes into that square, but it wasn't going in there very easy. So, had to, yeah. Alright, so now, all I gotta do is mount it up and I'll be good. Just gotta figure out what screws are which. So you have 4 different ones. Those are about the same. Yep. There we go. Alright, so I got that headlight back in pretty good. And now all I gotta do is put this. We were gonna take this whole thing off, but we ended up changing our mind. So now I just gotta put that screw back in. I don't know what other ones are loose. More than this one. Just a little. This one over here, I loosened a little bit. I already got that. Okay. And we got it. Moment of truth. See if it finally works. Ready? Hey! That'll work. Alrighty. So another thing me and my dad did, actually it was mainly my dad, so we have underglow, rock lights, up in there, I don't know if you can see that, and then we have that all around. So what was happening is we had it connected right to the battery, so anytime my four-wheeler would be off, it would just be running, so I had to take it like off the battery, and we had it for like almost a year now, and I couldn't use it that much because I had to like use a screwdriver and screwdriver all the way back into the battery and stuff. So what we did is, well, not we, him, my dad, used some of his dad knowledge, and we took all this off and this and stuff. So we ran a wire from the box under the seat. There's a box for the lights, and then we ran a wire up to here to my low beams. So anytime my low beams are on, the lights are on. And then like high beams, anytime those are on, they're not on. And then just anytime my lights aren't on, they're not on. So anytime my low beams are on, my lights are on. So I thank him very much for that. So thank you guys for bearing with me while I fix my light. We're going to be making a new video soon this weekend. We're going to the Mudfest. And, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something, because I know I learned a lot. And, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.